Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. I'm here to present my conference paper titled Sector Account Negotiation Issues and Challenges. My name is Abdullahi. The account negotiation has been used in software industries to resolve conflicts of the stakeholders. So here is the introduction. And in software industries, many software projects failed because their requirements were poorly negotiated. So So requirement negotiation is the process that is used to resolve such conflict in order to avoid failure from the software project. And the RN process model, requirement negotiation process model has been used for such negotiation. So in RN process model, the requirement of the stakeholder are expressed as win condition. Issues are identified from the win conditions. Options are then identified based on the issues. Then agreement are achieved based on the options. So some of the issues in existing requirement negotiation process model include requirement analysis, manager requirement changes, multiple stakeholders, multiple media and stakeholders communication, decision making, interoperability and negotiation, and evaluation of negotiation tool. So this study is motivated to identify the existing requirement negotiation process model. Traditionally, manual process has been used by software industry to negotiate requirements of the stakeholders. So, so this manual negotiation are tedious, time-consuming, and lack structured process. So this leads to proposal of requirement negotiation process model to automate the requirement negotiation process. Boehm et al. Proposed win-win negotiation model that use four artifacts, win condition, issues, and options. So it support and it facilitates distributed collaboration, reduce conflict among stakeholders. However, moreover, in proposed MFAN, which integrate artifact of win-win with multi-criteria analysis to improve stakeholders trust and communication. Another study by Briggs and Bush proposed win-win process model, and it is used to manage complexity of negotiated requirements. Then other study include Bush et al. That propose easy win-win with quality assurance. So the process model used the quality assurance to provide defect detection during requirement negotiation, which is action in win-win. Kukreja used social media sites like Gmail and Facebook to propose a win book that provide collaborative means for stakeholders to achieve agreement. Another study by Sufyan proposed GRNS model which incorporates easy win-win with quality assurance and MPAN to improve the effectiveness of achieving requirements. So to address manager requirement changes, a study of Peng et al. Proposed a compromise negotiation framework that uses game theory to manage requirement changes. Similarly, Ahmed et al. Proposed requirement negotiation model to deploy empirical investigation and assess effectiveness of requirement negotiation. So another study by Creighton et al. Developed collaborative framework for negotiation to provide interoperability between software development industry. So here is the comparative analysis between the existing process model reviewed by this study, and after we make analysis on the strengths and the weakness of this process model and identify the issues and limitations. Based on the issues and limitations, we provide direction for future research. Future research should allow modification of requirements while negotiating is ongoing. The future research should have provide a simultaneous process between stakeholders to reduce cost and improve the speed of negotiation. So in future, we need to have an approach that for the stakeholder to have flexible negotiation process depending on the nature of the conflict. Then in future, we need to have an effective decision support system that will enable stakeholders in the software industry to make decisions. Large number of media exist in software industries, which result in management confusion and hence lead to issues in software development process. So there is need of integrating similar media forum used in stakeholders communication to avoid management confusion. Similarly, studies are needed to address issues of stakeholders communication, such as distributed communication. So in conclusion, this study reviewed the existing requirement negotiation process model, performed comparative analysis of the existing process model, identified strengths and weakness of the existing process model. Then we give a further research direction to the novel and better researchers in the field of requirement engineering to conduct another study to identify the issues identified by these studies. Thank you.